Okay, changing your hair at home sounds like the perfect weekend activity that you can do. And most of the time, it's cheaper. I can vouch for that. Hey beauties, my name is Rika and I am a beauty and lifestyle journalist at Beauty Insider. Okay, let me bring you through step by step and what you should be looking out for before you DIY your hair. Okay, first things first, you need to choose a color that fits you and your personality. Now, Dixman SG is a brand that caters for all individual needs. They have a range of 30 colors to choose from. The best way to know whether a color would suit you is to consult a professional at their own outlet. Secondly, always make sure to use Safe Bleach, especially for virgin hair. By using the Dixman SG hair bleach, you will not have to worry because the bleach that they provide for customers are of high quality. So, virgin hair is harder to bleach, thus it needs more care to, go through it thoroughly. Using a gentle bleach that still does the job is the best way to prevent hair damage that can lead to severe problems in the long run. Now in this next step with using Dixman SG White Toner, you'll realize that you don't have to deal with yellowish hair anymore. The key to getting vibrant colors is a good toner that washes out the yellowish undertones of bleach. Especially Asian hair, bleach tends to stay in dark hair, creating harsher colors. Dixman SG's toner neutralizes the brassy yellow tones created using bleach. The result is a more platinum blonde as opposed to a nasty yellow blonde that nobody wants. Okay, similar to a top coat in manicures, the toner acts as a barrier in between your hair and the hair dye. Okay, this next step is vital and that is to implement proper hair care after dyeing your hair. Now, the mistake that a lot of people would do after dyeing their hair in interesting colors, they would always use regular shampoos at home, which is something that you shouldn't be doing actually. Now, this can contribute to a lot of problems like hair loss, your hair color wouldn't last, your scalp will be stripped from natural oils, and you will damage hair strands and weaken them over time. Specifically catered for dyed hair, the Dixman SG range comprises of shampoos, conditioner, toners, and such, so there's a lot to choose from. And trust me, Dixman SG is not just a brand. The Hydra Toner is non-comedogenic, which means it does not block pores in the sweltering heat of Singapore. Apply this toner twice a day to see best results and watch dirt and sweat melt off your skin at the end of the day. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should we make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Insider Mall right now so that you get to discover, shop, and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!